Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt, channel 43. In today's video, I have something very exciting to show you guys, and it's something I've been waiting for a while. It is my MTH DCS TIU. I finally got it back, so now we can run trains using the MTH remote, which is really nice. And this is one of the things we're going to be talking about. The other thing we're going to be talking about is my new control panel. I went ahead and redid this. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that, and then we'll go back to the DCS TIU and we will run some trains. Okay, so I went ahead and got rid of my old control panel, which is actually just an old bookshelf that I went ahead and used as a control panel, but I really didn't like it. So I went ahead and got this old dresser here, and that's what I'm using as a control panel now. So up on top, I have all my electronics and stuff, and then down in these drawers here, I lift up this towel, and this one here, we have, pull it out a little bit more if I can, we have some O-gauge railroading magazines, some other magazines and books and stuff like that. Then we have all my instructions, some more magazines, a new serial cable. I got this a little while ago. My old one wasn't working, so I went ahead and got a new one, and that's all in this one here. Shut this real quick. Okay, then in the middle one we have just some old trains. These are all old Lionel trains, you know, nothing really fancy. They're all 027. I don't really run them much. And then down in here just have some miscellaneous things. Nothing really special down there. So then up on top, I have all my electronics. We have the 3 command systems, the Legacy, TMCC, and the MTH DCS system. We have the auxiliary power supply for the TIU, which is right here. That's this wire right here, which I still have yet to run underneath the back of the panel. That's why there's this maze here. We have my Wi-Fi module. This terminal block is for accessories. That's what this whole coiled run is there. Back here we have another MTH brick that powers my inside track. Then we have the powerhouse that powers the outside track here. And then we have a whole maze of wires, which some of these, again, I still have to work on making them better. Like this cord for the brick, I'm gonna have to run that down, but other than that, it's done, so that's good. So now we'll come to the main point of today's video, which is the MTH DCS and TIU. Okay, so as I said, here it is. It's finally back, my MTH DCS TIU. Now, interestingly enough, one thing I found with this was that the TIU was not upgraded to 5.0, which I was surprised, because for 11 months out of service, I would think, yeah, it would be upgraded to 5.0, no problem. The remote, however, is upgraded to 5.0. The TIU is on version 4.2, and if I was to go into here, you can see. So the two do communicate, but I was surprised when I went ahead and checked the software version, see, 4.2. I don't know why it wasn't upgraded, but it isn't. It's at 4.2. I probably could upgrade it if I want, but as long as the two devices communicate, that's all I care about. So there you go. Now, the problem with the TIU was that there was no command signal being sent to the trains. It was all conventional. Why? I don't know, but I have a general idea, because one of the sound sets I used was a BL2 sound set from 2006. I threw it in my B&O F3s, which are currently on the shelf. I'll show you guys those in just a second. But those are really nice engines. But in any case, I used that sound set and it screwed up the system. So I went ahead and sent it in, and now 11 months later and 65 hours later, it's back. So they did have to send it right to MTH, which is fine with me. That's probably why it took so long. But no, okay, it actually is pretty cheap to get fixed. So there it is. Then here's those B&O units. I got the cars with them, and then here's the engines. They're pretty nice. So I may try to pick up some more MTH stuff in the future now. I know the fact my TIU is back. I was looking at some more engines. For some reason, you know, as much as I'm into the scale stuff, I really do like the Rail King engines, the diesels in particular, the steamers. I don't really run steamers, so, but I've been liking the Rail King diesels, so I found a couple I might try to pick up. There's nothing wrong with the Premier engines, so, but I don't know, I just like the Rail King. I like the Rail King scale stuff, so that's me. So go ahead and get the train running. I got the MTH Club ES44, so let's go over to there and run it for a little while. So here's the ES44. This is a really nice engine. This is the club version from 2 years ago. Hard to believe that, but yeah, there it is. So I really like this engine. I like it a lot more than my Beano F3s, and I think the reason for this is that this engine has Proto 3. The F units have Proto 2, but it still is a nice engine. So we'll go ahead and get it going on the remote. Let's go. You can see the chase lights. Pretty cool.
Checked out A-OK. Fuel is topped off. Make sure the fan fans are topped off. Alright, I'll check that out. Fan fins are topped off. She's in good shape. Thanks.
Alright, here we go.
Box number 21, permission to leave following switch in reverse position. South sliding switch, milepost 15.
That's correct on the repeat. Lead track warrant number 104863, okay at 900 hours, over.
Track warrant 104863 is okay at 900 hours, over.
That's correct. Dispatch route.
How'd you run? You ran great, thanks.
Alright, so there you guys go. That was just a quick little run with this engine. I really like this engine. So stay tuned for more runs with the MTH DCS. Now that I finally have it back and working, I'll be sure to run that B&O set one day in another video. So that'll be really nice. And also, I am very close to 500 subscribers. So keep an eye out for a special 500 subscriber video of some kind. I'm not sure what it'll be yet, but keep an eye out for something special for you guys who have followed me and been keeping up with what I've been doing on both on my layout here and my dad's layout, the KTMR. So in case, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I'm at Channel 943. Guys, have a great one. We'll see you later.